Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia Device to Xiaomi 12. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices and type in Send Anywhere in the search bar. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Now from this screen here, select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, you need to do exactly the same on Nokia. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then select receive on Xiaomi and send on Nokia Device. Over here you need to select no thanks and close this window, and then tap on all of those dots on your Nokia device. Lastly, choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one file and choose got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Xiaomi and choosing while using the app or only this time, then pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and connect our smartphones by choosing receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!